Welcome to my website. You can get instant access to the full video where David's going to explain how you get paid instantly into your Metamask wallet. This time we are dealing with USDC as you see the payments coming in his wallet. And this is a very brand new launch, okay? He haven't even blast an email to his whole list of emails. He only made a few posts on Facebook, which I saw and decided to sign up. So I'm helping everybody who wants to get into this new program that get paid in USDC into your MetaMask wallet. All you have to do is put in your details on my website, and it will take you to the main page where I explain how this is going to work, and you will see the full video. So once again, if you're just watching this video, go ahead, go to the website and register. If you're on the website, look below and enter your information, and you'll be forwarded to the next page where the full video is going to explain how we are getting paid instantly USDC into your MetaMask wallet. All right, which once you get paid, you can withdraw the money within minutes into your bank account and cash out on your ATM machine, or just start using your bank card the same day within minutes. So I have a method where I can show you that to my team members how to instantly withdraw this money and how to get started. So if you want more details, go ahead and enter your information, and we'll see you on the next page showing the whole details of this video explain how you can get started. All right, peace.